need you. We're doing something.
Totally Easter.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. We got a surprise. Come here. Come here. You got to sit on the couch. Okay, you guys ready? You ready for the surprise? Here we go.
Do you want to be a part of the surprise, Veronica?
I want to see the surprise.
Well,
You
it's
gotta-
something that we have to say to you. You want to say, Daddy?
Go ahead.
You guys are going to be big sisters. Veronica, you're going to be a big sister
Why? Why?
because Mommy has a baby in her tummy.
No, you don't.
I do.
For real?
For reals.
Why
It's, it's little.
Tell the truth.
I do. Well, you can't see it. But after months go by, Mommy will get bigger and bigger.
No, tell the truth.
I am. The baby, your baby brother or baby sister will be due in December, right before Christmas.
For real?
For reals. You're going to get to be
How
a
do
big
you know?
sister.
How do you know?
I went to the doctor.
Today? Yay!
So you're going to be a big sister.
Yay! And could I hope it's a brother.
You want a little brother?
Mommy, could I share?
Diego?
Could I share with my bed with her?
Can you share your bed with him? Well, we still have to figure out all what that's going to look like.
I could do this.
We
Can
have
I see?
ideas.
Can I see?
There's nothing to see. It's just a
I
tummy.
just want
It's a flat tummy.
to. Mommy, tell the truth.
I'm telling the truth. We're gonna tell Grandma and Grandpa today, but we're gonna need your help. Can you guys help us? I have a picture. Would you like to see it? It's very tiny. Sit here and talk to the camera while I'm gonna be right back.
It's Easter today, and I love Easter, and it's Easter.
So what do you think about being a big sister again?
For me,
Yeah.
I'm already a big sister.
Well, but you'll have another one. What about you, Veronica? You've never been a big sister. What do you think? Veronica, what do you think? Veronica,
What do you think, Veronica? Daddy's asking you a question.
what do you think? You're a big sister now.
Pregnant?
Yes, I'm pregnant. Here, you wanna see the baby? You can't tell, but this is a sonogram. Yeah,
There's a baby right there.
That's right. The little dot right there. That's the baby.
I was like that. Then it goes.
And then this right here.
That looks like a bird.
Looks like a bird. It does. This right here is the heartbeat. So you can only see the graph, but Daddy and Mommy got to hear it go.
You're having a baby?
Mommy's having
Awesome.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna have 3 kids.
Yeah. Then we're gonna have 3 kids.
Yeah.
You're gonna
You
have 2
You
younger.
never knew. You never knew that.
I never knew that. We just found out.
And we need a crib for him.
We're gonna need a crib.
I wanted to sleep in my room.
You want the baby to sleep in your room?
But
You want the baby to sleep in your room?
he could sleep. He could sleep right here, and I could sleep with him in the crib with him. And let's move these stuff where he doesn't hurt his head.
Okay.
You guys
Good
are
idea.
so smart.
Solid.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make sure we.
Okay. All right. Well, say bye. Say bye to the camera for now. Congratulations, big sister.
Congratulations, Veronica.
Congratulations, Angelica.
I'm not a big sister anymore.
You'll be
But I'm
another
as big-
sister. You'll be the oldest sister. And I would like